Are you tired of manual FMEA spreadsheets that slow down your team and risk compliance gaps? Discover FMEA Execution Tool, the powerful digital facilitator that makes failure mode and effects analysis fast, accurate, and audit-ready. Watch how easy it is to run a complete FMEA in minutes. Instant Start with a bold Start Analysis button. Clean grid shows all your FMEA projects. Creation date, quick edit or delete. Click New Project to start a new one. Enter project name and dive straight into the table for failure mode and effects analysis. For every high-risk item, add recommended action, assign a responsible person, and set a target completion date. Real-time visual dashboard provides Pareto chart and risk heat maps, showcasing risks before and after action. One-click exports everything to PDF or Excel, perfect for management reviews and compliance submissions. Ready to execute professional FMEAs without the headache? Visit our website now.